Just in case you close the door again, I'll open the door further that you can't reach. Maybe he can apply for the long jump competition.
Parkour!
The gap between active and passive is very thin. The reason we have to stay focused in every situation. How to get attention without much exercise.
Look what we did!
Children are not allowed in the adult work area.
Watch out! Waffles! Quit trying to kill Reggie! He's too fat to run from you.
Here you go.
Teasing him is always the most fun thing for the owner. Guess how high the cat can jump when startled.
Симба, Симба, отзовись. Ой,
This place is already mine. There is no room for you, human.
где ты? Ну посмотри на меня.
Let's fight like two grown men, dude. If you want to achieve your goal, you must not let anyone catch you. Just looking at him is enough to make your day smile more.
Going in. She's in! She's in! She's panicking!
Go help her!
I will. Daddy's coming. Daddy's coming. Daddy's coming.
Everyone has to be afraid of the storm. When you own an actor's face and your owner is a voiceover.
Get down, Meatball. This is not safe.
Shit.
He appeared, God neither knows the devil nor knows. Since I'm a bit bored, I want to play with you for a bit. The sleeping place this boy just found is strange.
Bella. Bella?
The real image of the sentence to crush the cat with meat. Maybe you should go work as a thriller actor, human. Even if I can't see the way, I can still go home. This feeling can only be felt by cat owners.
Woo-hoo. All right, Yellow, your turn. Ready?
Huh? There seems to be a slight discrimination here, girl. His startling moments could be made into a series. Those eyes seem to say, "This blanket belongs to me. Don't try to take it away." Even though he's alone, he can still find something to enjoy. When your hand friend exerts a strong attraction on this girl,
А потом у тебя скорость увеличивается через вас там, это уже в конце.
someone cleaned the glass so clean I didn't know it was here.
You comfy in there, bud?
It's great to have this uninvited guest visit every time it's sunny.
Really?
It's like there's a tragic parting story.
Cojones está pasando, tío?
It's amazing how he managed to get in here. The bad feeling is when you are locked up by your own friends. I'm so happy when I don't have to go to the park to still play skateboarding. How to relieve stress after a hard working day.
Can you get off my desk
It's hard to have a serious conversation with this guy.
before I broke? Thank you.
As long as you are fast enough, no one can catch you.
Sit your ass down.
Looks like you need to lose weight, human. Not all cats like to have fun, but when your owner's love for you is too strong. In such minutes, just a big round eye sparkle. His actions always successfully attract the attention of the owner. His speed is comparable to the wind. It's only when he's in the water that he seems so calm and cautious. When the object of your flirting is a difficult girl.
There so that you don't scratch it.
Didn't expect a membrane to stop my claws.
Hey. Hey. It's not supposed to be fun. It's not a challenge. Elvis.
It would be so much better to leave my mattress here. Subscribe to see more interesting videos.